Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do something a little bit different. I am going to be testing out a new skincare product that I have found at Sephora. Now it's a little kit that is put together by Drunk Elephant and it's called the Inspector's Drunk Night Kit. So this is the box here. It's very cute. I like the package here. So everything is supposed to come in here for this night kit. There is a TLC Framboise, a high-tech AHA and BHA gel that resurfaces dull congested skin by gently lifting away dead skin cells. Then there's a Beste number 9. I'm butchering these names, I know I am, I'm sorry. With a blend of mild surfactants and makeup dissolving elements, this juicy gel cleanser rinses clean and leaves skin soft. Then there's the B Hydra. Loaded with vitamins B and water-loving antioxidants, this sheer serum delivers all-day hydration to thirsty skin. Then the Lala Retro. Ultra-rich, deeply comforting whipped cream soothes skin while delivering long-lasting moisture. Tip: it's a head-to-toe skin rehabber. So I guess you can use this any part of your body. So I might actually try that on my feet. My little toes are sad right now. I'm doing kickboxing and the mats, all the spinning on it, they ain't happy. And then the last item in here is the C Tango. It's packed with 5 forms of vitamin C, 8 peptides, and this rich eye cream is super soothing and skin strengthening, sorry. So in general it says, use the magnifying glass, search all of the ingredients in your current beauty routine for the 6 suspects, hashtag the suspicious 6, listed in the enclosed cards. Once you have located and set aside any products containing them, you may begin taking a clean break using Drunk Elephant Inspector Drunk Night Kit to reset your skin back to optimal function and health. Products do not contain the suspicious 6 may remain in the game. The winner is your skin. Good luck. So I'm going to be trying this night care kit as part of my skincare routine over the next week, and we're going to see if I notice any sort of difference. Most of these things do say, like, looking overnight and all these different things are gonna start getting better just immediately, so we're gonna find out what's going on here and see if I notice any difference in my skin over the next week of using this lovely item. So we're gonna head over to the bathroom now and do this for now. Now it's not really nighttime yet, but I have finished any of my running around for the day. I'm gonna take off any makeup that I have left on. I just went to Sephora and played around with a couple of items while I was getting this. So there's some makeup swatches just on my face and probably some highlight, and my hands are just coated in glitter. So it's only about 4:30 right now, but by the time that I've had dinner and actually go and film this, it'll be about 7 o'clock, so that'll be an appropriate time for doing a night skincare routine. So when I go through all of these items, I'll take you through step by step of how I use these, and I think I'll actually go through some of the stuff that I am already using and see if it includes any of the suspicious 6 items that they say should not be in my skincare. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so it's a little bit later than I intended to do this, but it's still nighttime, so we're good for the description of the cleansers. So I took off all my makeup first, and I'm going to see which product we're supposed to be starting with in this thing. So there is the Night Serum. There is the Intense Hydrating Serum. There is a Jelly Cleanser. There's the Whipped Cream Hydrator. And the Multivitamin Eye Cream. Okay, so I don't see any sort of order these are supposed to go in. Yeah, no, I'm not seeing any instructions on the box, so I'm just gonna go to the internet and see if the website, let's see if Google can save me and tell me what order this is supposed to all happen in. Okay, so I'm gonna go to cultbeauty.com. Description, ingredients, how to use, there we go. Okay, so this is the way that I'm gonna be doing it. Huh. So it doesn't say there's a specific order these are supposed to go in. Okay, so I guess I'm just gonna kind of pick an order that this can go in. The only thing that it says to use every other night is the Glycolic Night Serum, so that is this one here. So that is going to be used, I guess, starting tonight, and then I'll skip it for this week and then just do it every other day. So make sure to use that one. Cleanser is every night, so I suppose I'll start with the cleanser. So I think the order we're going to go is cleanser, then cleanser, serum, face moisturizer, and then eye cream. That seems like an order that should go in. I'm sure if I'm doing it wrong once I post this, someone will tell me, but that's what I'm gonna go with for now. So I'm gonna fill this up with water and get started. I really am sorry for the awful lighting. Bathrooms really aren't that great for filming. Okay, so squeeze into palm, add water to lather, and gently massage over face, eyes, and neck. I assume they mean eye area, not actual eyes, because don't put cleansers in your eyes, kids. It's a bad idea. Oh no. Oh no, it's child locked. Oh, it opens like that. Oh, that's cool. Okay, that's all over my hands now. It has a little thing at the bottom there. I thought the lid came right off. It's been a long day, guys. Don't judge me. And pay attention with that, with any other use. Well, it's over my hands now, so I'm just gonna wet the other one and lather. And then spread it on my face. I'm trying to tell if this actually has any sort of like scent or anything. And it doesn't seem like it, so that's nice. Okay, step 1 down. Step 2, we're gonna try this. So, use only as directed. How are you directed to use? Use an evening apply to clean, dry face. Okay, so dry first. Oh, there we go. So you twist it up. See, I noticed when that one opened. Apply to dry face, neck, chest, and backs of hands. I think I'm gonna avoid the backs of my hands for this and just focus on face and neck. It says to avoid the eye area, so we're just gonna do nose and then forehead. And there's a little bit left, so I'll just put it on my neck. I do have to say, the way that these open and close is very fun to twist up and down. I get amused by small things, don't judge me. Okay, so next thing I said I was going to be doing was the Intensive Hydration Serum. Okay, so apply to face, neck, hands, any part needing intense hydration, mixed with any DE serum, cream, or oil. So we're good because I can mix with the Drunk Elephant, the Frambo's Glycolic Night Serum, because this is with any serum, and that is a serum, so we're good. Doesn't say anything about avoiding eye areas, but I have an eye cream, so I'll avoid the eye areas anyways. And it did say an intense hydrating serum, so I'm just going to put it where I'm normally more dry. So just around my nose and just on top of my eyebrows. Oh, that's an interesting sensation. Oh, that's a little bit warm. I don't know if that's supposed to be warm. That probably isn't supposed to be warm. We're just gonna massage that in and hope that that is fine. Ooh, that's interesting. trying to see if there's hyaluronic acid in this. Because I've used things with hyaluronic acid before and it kind of felt like that, but I don't see it in the list. Maybe they have something that's sort of similar to that. I assume they have something that's kind of similar to that. I am not as up on my skincare ingredients as I probably should be. But yeah, okay, we're gonna go with it had something sort of like hyaluronic acid because that's the feeling that I got from that. And it didn't really feel like a moisturizer. It says it's a hydrating serum. So I assume it's something that's sort of like supposed to draw moisture to your skin. Because it wasn't anything kind of rubbed in. Like once I patted it, it was like in my skin already. Moving on, I'm gonna be doing the whipped cream facial moisturizer. Apply anytime to clean skin. That's nice and simple and non-threatening. Oh, it's a little cream one. This is nice. So I'm just gonna take the amount that's in the lid, put that on the cheeks, forehead, and chin. This one's allowing a lot more time to rub it into the skin. Definitely feels more like regular moisturizers that I've used. Sorry, I know that probably looks weird, but I always get comments whenever someone does my makeup that the skin in my eyebrows is super dry, so whenever I try and put on moisturizer now, I try and like rub it into the skin under my eyebrows. I think it seems to be helping. Whenever I put stuff on, like it doesn't seem as dry as it used to be. And then we're going to wrap this up with the final step. So this is the Multivitamin Eye Cream. Gently pat a pump of Tango Eye Cream into the area using your ring finger. Avoid direct contact with eyes. As with all products, don't put it directly in your eyes. That is not good. So with ring finger, will be good. Specific, follow the instructions. Oh, there you go, one pump. We're going to split this between the two ring fingers for the two eyes. That looks about even. And pat, 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 pat. Okay. I'm gonna go with that's good. So all steps are on my skin. I'm going to go to sleep and we'll do this again tomorrow night. Okay, so I know that I said that I would be doing that for a week, but I started doing it and then I just started realizing skincare and something that takes a lot longer to figure out how it's gonna work, how well it works. So I used it for a month and then I didn't use it for a month and then I used it for another month. And we're just a little bit past that now, so we've really extended this this test out. But when I used it for the month, I was doing a couple other things, so I wanted to make sure that specifically this skincare routine was what was making a difference in my skin. So I didn't use it for a while. I went back to just doing bare minimum for skincare. I wiped off my makeup with a makeup wipe and would splash some face oils or like some random moisturizer once in a blue moon when I remembered to. And my skin kind of went back to how it was. And then for this last month I've been doing it again and I've seen my skin start to clear up again. Now I am on my period, so I've got a couple little breakouts right now, but on the whole, like, you can see how moisturized and clear and everything is. Now I did just do this again for the night, so everything's soaking into my skin, so if I look very oily, this is why. And sorry, I'm gonna keep the ranting to a minimum because this is already a very long video and I'm very sorry. So, quick update. So I've been using all of these for about 2 months now, and I still have product in all of these containers, even though this was like the small set. Now I'm almost out of the Be Hydra Intensive Hydrating Serum and the eye cream. But everything else, like this comes as a full size, and I've still got a ton of this. Like this is still mostly full. I still have some of the jelly cleanser, and I actually have a backup one of this now because the birthday gift at Sephora for this year is the Drunk Elephant cleanser, and then also this Protein Polypeptide cream, which is another moisturizer. So I've been adding this on for the last month since I've gotten it. And then the moisturizer, but all of them, like literally I've been using this whipped cream moisturizer since I got it, and I'm like maybe halfway down. Can you, this is not gonna be easy to show. Possibly? Yeah, so you can see I'm like halfway down to that. But everything else is like, that's an amazing amount to use because you don't need a ton of it to actually get results out from it. So my overall review of this is that I think it is worth it. Now the package altogether, I know when I bought it came to a little over $100. I want to say it was about 130 Canadian when I purchased it. I don't know if they still sell it all together in a kit, but you can buy all these things separately. I'm sure you can order them online, and they do have them in Sephora. The one that I have where I live in Kitchener, they have a whole section on the wall now for Drunk Elephant, so they're expanding it because I assume that it is popular, and I understand why, because it was very good. So if you can get it, I would recommend giving it a go. If you can only get certain things, I like the cleanser, and I really like the moisturizer, the one that I've been using here, the Protein Peptide Cream, or Protein Polypeptide. I cannot speak, and I can't read these names, and I am so sorry. But this one is a little bit different than the cream cleanser. This is a lot more like a gel sort of texture, if you can see it on there. And it's very creamy. It goes in. I have so much moisturizer on my face now. This is not going to go well. But it feels really smooth. It's very gel-like. It's not as creamy, so it's a lot easier to rub in without like feeling you need to press at your skin. But yes, so this is the results of using the Drunk Elephant Night Care Kit for about a month. I'm not going to say for 3 months because it was 1 month and then not for a month and then for a month again, so we're back to about 1 month of skincare with this. So I don't know if this has been helpful, but from what I have experienced, I would recommend this product, and if you just sort of check it out, if you only need certain things for your skincare, then just check out the line, see if there's anything that they have that you might need. And yeah, I am going to wrap up this video now, and I'm going to try and get this posted because this is the only video I've been working on since then, so it's been 3 months since I've put anything out. And possibly longer. I need to actually look by the time this is edited. So I hope this helped, and have a good night, guys. See you later.